in soon. What are you doing over here? Should be up here. Oh! A new YOS Sanderson box. Let's open it. Hey nerds, what's up? Welcome back to another segment of Nerdy Novelties. We're, in this case, just opening the YOS Sanderson subscription boxes. Thank you guys so much for your patience as I was just feeling really exhausted the first week that I came back, and then of course my body decided to get sick. So if I sound a little more nasally than usual, that's why. And we got this box actually on Friday when I was planning to record this, and that is when I woke up in the morning and felt like I was in one of those Dragon Ball Z training facilities where the gravity was like 10 times as severe and I was just exhausted. It was really hard to even get out of bed. So anyway, without further ado, let's open it. It is officially Monday, so my body decided to give me a nice sick weekend to just sit around and, you know, feel crummy. Anyway, we are on subscription box number 8, the Cosmere. So it's just kind of the over-encompassing world of Brandon Sanderson's fictional novels. And again, like I explained in the first ever subscription box opening in January, it's like the MCU. So the sticker here is dark with a red band. This was just like the Mistborn sticker. So now let's open it and see what wit quote we get. Aim for the sun. That way, if you miss, at least your arrow will fall far away, and the person it kills will likely be someone you don't know. A little bit darker, a little dark humor there from Wit. We're back to the standard red paper. I pointed out before that one of the other boxes had like a darker paper. It's just those little details that I pay attention to that no one else probably does, but wanted to point that out. Ooh, okay. We got lots of things. Spoiler warning. Lots of plastic bags this time. DragonSteel, what is, okay. It's just like a little, does it say what it is? Another inventor's guide, which I think they made something else from the subscription boxes. Oh well. Well wrapped as usual. Yeah, just something like that. It is, ooh, maybe these are they're postcards. Oh, okay, so we have Erytheru, which is from the Stormlight Archives. Visit the atmospheric forests of hell. Titelier. I'm gonna butcher these names. Oh, so beautiful though. Luthadel, which is from Mistborn. Elantris. Oh. And Kazar. Kazare? Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, and on the back of each of these, it explains a little bit about each of the landscapes. So I can do that if you guys want. Kazare, I don't know. On Taldain's dayside, the city of Kazar thrives on the Nortalon and Raido Ali rivers, despite its distance from the more fertile Kurla sands. Visitors will find the opulence of the Kelzin district mesmerizing, while the city within a city, Lonzar, boasts a bustling nightlife. The Diem, home of the Sandmasters, is a short afternoon lunch cruise away. The Diem, avoid deep sand at all costs. Sounds a little Doony, super pretty. The oaths have once again been spoken, and Erytheru, the mighty stronghold of the Knights Radiant, has been restored to its former glory. Nab a handful of infused spheres to light your path as you explore the mythic caverns and crevices of the tower that represents the ideals and hopes of Roshar. And remember, if a friend speaks to you, be sure to listen. The forests of hell offer ample opportunities to encounter the lingering investiture of those who have passed from the physical realm. It's also a wonderful place to become one such lingering wisp of investiture. For a less permanent adventure, visit a way stop and be regaled with stories from fellow travelers, many of whom have bounties on their heads. Not that you heard that from us. Welcome to the City of Colors. Enjoy tropical weather while strolling through the lush gardens of this crescent-shaped paradise. Don't miss your chance to behold the Court of Gods, where the resplendent returned enjoy their afterlife, playing games and eating exotic fruit. Be forewarned, if anyone asks you for your breath, make sure they're paying handsomely. The capital of the Final Empire is known for brilliant sunsets, peaceful ash falls, and lavish parties thrown in great keeps. Impressive stained glass windows provide colorful views of the festivities for those lacking an invitation, and the city's near nightly mists can be enjoyed by all. Be wary of any figures lurking in them, though. Some are friendlier than others. Elantris is at times glorious, full of deific beings gleaming silver, and at other times terrible, a prison for those cursed to languish in eternal pain and suffering. As such, activities in Elantris largely depend on timing. If viewed in a period of splendor, all are encouraged to wander Elantris' pearlescent streets. In a time of less prosperity, Elantris is best observed from a distance. So cool! Gosh, the artwork's so pretty. Does it say who it's by? Yes, Jeff Shoop, or Shup. Very nice. Oh, so pretty. Little did I know how appropriate it would be that I'm wearing this vacation-esque style shirt. And we get postcards, and I love the little folder it comes in. It's very nice. All right, next item. This looks like a, what's it called? Like a lanyard for your world hopping, so everyone knows who you are. Yeah, like a lanyard card holder. And you just put your name on it. It has the little Cosmere symbol and has a very pretty metal world hopper with the beautiful, again, piece symbol, sorry. And then on the back, it also has the world hopper map. It's very nice. It's very thick, and I'm not sure if it's like faux leather or plastic, but it's very nice. Feels very durable. So I'll put that back in there. And then, hee! Look at this adorable Cosmere character. Number 8, Chris. Khriss. She's adorable. I'm assuming it is a she. She's wearing a dress, so I'd assume so. But she's very, very cute. She's got sunglasses on. She is like in vacation mode, so that's adorable. Cute, cute, cute. One more thing, and it's a big package, so I'm excited. Is it a fanny pack? Because that would be hilarious. Is it a fanny pack? Is it a fanny pack? We have a little wallet with a really nice like sheen showing all the little world hopper signs. Are you a fanny pack? I feel like you're a fanny pack. Or is it just like a little tote bag? Looks more like a tote bag. It's got little, again, both of them have the really nice metallic world hopper metal pieces, and then has the DragonSteel logo on the zipper. Ooh, okay, and then on the inside it has the map. Yeah, this is cute. It's like a little travel bag. And then you have like a little wallet carrier, tiny purse, change purse. Good gracious. Okay, super cute. Let's read the spoiler. The Cosmere. Well, a little piece of it anyway. Brandon's interconnected universe of fantasy stories is in full swing and continues to expand. Find your nearest perpendicularity and let's get world hopping. World hopper toiletry bag. Okay. You travel in style. Why can't your toiletry do so as well? From the cut to the fabric to the zipper pulls, every element has been specifically customized, making this a designer bag in every sense of the phrase. But why stop at toiletries? Cards, dice, miniatures, crafts, you name it. If it fits, this can hold it. World Hopper Tag. Clearly mark what is yours with this sturdy and beautiful designed tag. Your luggage, your backpack, your friends. It doesn't matter what you tag, so long as you have their permission. Cosmere Destination Postcards. Ever get so lost in a book that you forget to connect with your friends and family? Keep in touch with these retro-inspired postcards depicting must-see Cosmere locations, or just keep them for yourself. Cosmere Character Pin. Intensely interested in how magic works through the Cosmere, Chris studies, catalogs, and theorizes about each one. We've seen her on several planets. Now she's on yours. Asterisk, as a note, Earth is not part of the Cosmere. So that was Brandon Sanderson's subscription box number 8, the Cosmere. I love the idea and like theme around travel, especially since it is technically still the summer. And again, I did not wear this thinking that it was going to be like a travel idea, even though, I mean, I did know it was the Cosmere, so maybe like subconsciously. Anyway, yeah, so I really enjoyed all of these items. Which one was your favorite? I'm really impressed with the quality of the travel bags. Love seeing the pins. And I think though my favorite, and I'm just like a sucker for art, so I think it will be the postcards, but let me know what you guys think down below. Are you excited for the next subscription box? We only have 4 more. We have 1/4 of the year left. Ugh. Of 2023, of the year of Sanderson. So they have been just going nonstop. I think we still have 1 more or 2 more books. Now I have to think back. Tress, Wizard, Yumi. So we have 3. So we still have 2 more books. Unless I'm completely forgetting one. I think we have still 2 more books. Technically 1 more book, and then he is the graphic novel. Anyway, so I'm super excited as always. This is super fun to unbox in front of you all. And yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so we only have a few more things. Or maybe this is it. Okay, it's like a big package. Let me move. Okay. Get off. Okay. You can see my head.